Time to do some wrenching.
Hey, what we're going to do here is a power steering fluid exchange. I picked this up at Harbor Freight. That's a suction gun a couple weeks ago. I'm going to try it out for this. Usually I use a syringe like this. So I got this just in case this doesn't work too good, but I'll try it out. I've tried this out already on sucking some oil out of a snowblower, and it worked pretty good. Now it comes like this plastic bag. Some instructions, your little hose. This, and surprisingly, this is all metal. Pretty well made. Put this on. Okay. And yeah, it's good to do this. You know, like maybe like once a year, twice a year. Some guys will do this. You know what I'm doing now? Suck out what they can, and then maybe run it for a while. Do it again, and keep doing that about 3-4 times, and it might get all the fluid out of it. I tend to just do whatever whenever I feel like doing it. I'll empty it out, what I can get. Usually it's about, I don't know, somewhere around 8 ounces or so usually you can get. And it's pretty easy to do, simple. It's better than trying to take the hoses off and drain it that way. I mean, you get a better job, but this works just as good if you ask me. And then you don't have to worry about getting leaks afterwards or something else like that, You just start touching the hoses and then you end up putting it back together, and then you have to put a leak. This doesn't really disturb anything. Pretty easy to do. You get a little oil on you, but that's no big deal. It's kind of hard to get it in here on this one. It's got like something inside there obstructing it, but I can get pretty good. I got a lot that time. You can see it's pretty clear anyway. It's pretty clean, but I'm sure it's got some dirt in it. One more time I'll try it, and I got quite a bit already, I can see. Let's see if I can get this down there a little bit further. Okay. Yeah. Get something. That's about as far as it's going. Yeah. That's as far as it's gonna go. Yeah, so this is good. I consider this good preventative maintenance because, it's good for your pump, good for your power steering pump. It's good for, that should be good enough. It's good for your, well, this has got a rack and pinion. Some cars might have just a steering gearbox or something, but, it's good for the seals. Good all around, so it's good preventive maintenance. This is a Ford. It's a '97 Ford Explorer, so this is what this stuff takes. I'll get a jug like this. It'll last me for years. So, doing this kind of stuff. Yeah, I put some in. This ahead of time. Let's see, it takes. It's taking quite a bit. right about there. So it took, I don't know, 18, yeah, it took about 10 ounces. I don't know what the thing holds, but I'm sure if you did this, I don't know, if you wanted to do this like 3 or 4 times, you'd probably get it all exchanged. You know, I think the suction gun worked pretty good. It works about as good as this. This works pretty good too. Yeah, they're about equal, I'd say. Yeah, that worked pretty good. See, and look at that. I got pretty much new fluid in there. Do this once or twice a year. Shouldn't have any problems. If I do, well then I just got bad luck. But yeah, well, hey, if you liked the video, subscribe, hit the notification button or bell, and thanks for watching, and keep on wrenching. Bye.